Now that you've created your Adobe ID, it only takes a couple of minutes to install and authorize Adobe Digital Editions. First, log in and proceed to find and install Adobe Digital Editions. Be careful to choose the Windows or Mac version, depending on your primary computer. Click to install, and depending on your browser, you'll be prompted to activate the download. Make sure you click through the licensing agreement and proceed through installation. If you have products that you've previously downloaded into an earlier version of Adobe Digital Editions, go ahead and click Migrate, which will move them over to the updated 2.0 version. If it is your first time entering the Adobe Digital Editions library, which opens up when you download your digital product from our store, you will be asked to authorize your computer. If you want to print digital files, you'll need to do so from the first computer you authorize. Simply follow the prompts to enter your Adobe ID and you're good to go. You'll drop right into your digital reading. If you have any questions, please contact us or review our other videos. Good luck on your course!